What is up, guys? I finally got my last two pieces to finish my first ever PC build. I already got me the GeForce GT 730 graphics card, and then I got me my AMD FX 6 core. Oh, and that's my memory, my 500 gigabyte memory. There's what I'm using for power, my rip jaws, motherboard, and this is my build, my PC build. As you can see, looks pretty sick. There's my memory card. Goes my graphics card down there. Yep. Well, that's pretty much it. Right now, it's getting everything else set. Got me the Windows 10 Pro. Let me click this real quick. The computer so far is pretty fast. Every time I play a YouTube video, it goes all the way to 1080p. Right now I'm doing some things. Just want to show you how it looks in the game. Cause on my other PC right here, it's at kind of like, lags. And there you have it. I'm kind of using my headphones. Runs pretty fast, not gonna lie. Well, there you have it, guys. I was gonna say it's 400, but I think I overwent to the budget just because I had to get me a flash drive to download Windows. So I believe it's close to 420, around there. Alright, guys, if you like the video, please like, subscribe. Well, if you want to, like, dislike. Alrighty, I'll try to make some more videos later on, but who knows. I'll probably gonna be uploading some League of Legends, testing out how the computer runs. Alright, guys, y'all have a good day.